Last time I spoke to you guys, I think I was in Italy when I did all the pizza videos, and then I actually flew to Portugal just to visit my family, and my mom actually had no idea that I was coming, so I actually surprised her. You guys have always requested me to make a video with my mom because most of you guys know that my mom is actually quite good at baking and cooking, mostly baking, but I actually thought that today was the perfect opportunity to film a video with my mom. What we're actually gonna do for this video is my mom is gonna be making a dinner that is my favorite food that she used to make when I was little, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to replicate it like after, and I'm gonna eat whatever my mom makes because I make the rules, and then my mom has to eat whatever I make. So my mom's English is not great, but my Portuguese is also not very great, so I guess it's fair. I used to love steak with mushrooms and this like creamy sauce that my mom makes. I've got no idea what's in it. I've never even been part of it, so she's just gonna make it and then I'm gonna copy it, and hopefully I'm not gonna suck at this, but I probably am. I'm gonna have to translate everything that my mom does because she doesn't really speak English very well, so let's see what happens. So my mom did the shopping and she bought all the ingredients that she always buys, and these are some veal steaks. I've never cooked with veal in my life, so this is not gonna be easy. Okay, so we're gonna start by salting and adding a few spices. So some peri peri. I think my mom is using powder peri peri, so it's like the Nando stuff. Okay. I'm trying to remember everything for when I do it. Oh, that was quite a lot of garlic. It's gonna be a very garlicky steak. Okay. Last step is some pepper.
Pimenta.
Okay, so the pepper is in. So we're gonna grab some butter now. So now we wait for the butter to melt a little bit. This is not really fair, but my mom told me to wash the mushrooms. I can't really say no. Usually I would be like not helping my opponent, but honestly, do I have an option? I don't think so. So I'm just gonna wash the mushrooms. My mom said now we're gonna add the steaks into the butter. That's like all foamy. Okay, so we're gonna turn the steaks on the other side. I keep on forgetting that I'm gonna have to recreate this whole thing. So my mom said she cooks it depending on like whoever she's cooking for their taste, like whether it's like medium rare or very well cooked. In my case, I like my steak very much dead, like very well cooked. So my mom is gonna remove the steaks now. It looks well cooked, so pretty happy about that. So the mushrooms go first. Okay, a little bit of salt in the mushrooms. A little bit of peri peri because my mom likes food quite spicy. I eat my mom's food, so honestly it's not that spicy, but I'm gonna let her believe that it is. Even though it's mushrooms, it smells like steak because this is cooked in like all the steak like juices and the butter. So my mom said that the juices from the mushroom, I'm sorry, I'm trying to translate this in my head. The juices from the mushroom are releasing and then it's going to like, I don't know where my mom went wrong on raising me, but I should be able to cook like this, but I can't. Even when I'm filming a video, I have to help with cooking. Like this is my whole childhood. Okay. Oh, so my mom is gonna add some wine now. A little bit more. So the wine goes in. The most relatable person in the kitchen is no longer me. It doesn't look like cream, but I swear this is cream. It just looks like that in Portugal, I guess. It comes in like a little pouch instead of in a little cup. So the cream goes in now. So now my mom is gonna add the steak. I think they're just gonna finish cooking a little bit more in the sauce. I don't know. Once again, I'm trying to translate. I don't know. Oh, that's like the steak blood. I wish I never seen this part. And my mom said it's ready. Just let it cook for as long as you want the steaks to be cooked, like extra longer, but it's ready. Guess who's going to have to do this? That's gonna be me. So my mom is gonna add some oil now, and she's gonna make some fries as a side, I think. Oh my god, that is insanely fast. Like, I am shook. I've never appreciated this. I've just seen a potato being peeled in literally 10 seconds. Wow. Also practically no waste and all in like one go. I wanted this skill instead of hay fever and asthma and all the things that I got. The color blindness. Just gotta make sure you hydrate yourself. I want someone to make a gif of my mom drinking wine. I would already have no finger if I was cutting like that. My mom's saying she wants to make this as thin as possible because apparently it goes better with the sauce. So she's gonna make very, very thin potato chips. I'm gonna love when I can finally try these. So we're gonna wait for these to finish cooking and then that's kind of the whole dish. That was very, very quickly. I'm sure I'm gonna take a lot longer. So we got the steak with the mushroom sauce, we've got the chips, and I think that's everything. My mom is just gonna plate everything now. Oh my god, that looks so good. So the steak goes in. Yes. So now my mom's gonna add the sauce with the mushrooms. Oh my god, that actually looks so freaking good. This is looking better than when the professional chef cooked. A mess. Okay, so my mom's gonna clean the sides a little bit. It looked kind of simple, but I know this is one of those things that when I try to make it, it's just not gonna look this amazing. So I guess my mom's gonna sit down now and then it's gonna be my turn. Unfortunately, this is my time to make the food. I am gonna suck at this. My mom is gonna be sitting down on her phone, so she actually cannot help me, so we're actually not cheating on this. So here we've got the veal steaks. I have a lot of pressure today because if I ruin it, my mom is here and she always sends me aggressive messages after I ruin food in videos. So this is peri peri powder, okay, some garlic, some pepper, okay, flip it. So we're gonna start with the butter. Ugh. Oh my god! Wait, this is like a phone. I'm like, oh sorry, I accidentally texted you. I was trying to make pancakes. I'm gonna melt the butter now. I feel like I'm skipping something, but I feel like I might not. So I'm just gonna go ahead, whatever. Oh, I think we can't go too high with the temperature because my mom said that if we do that, the butter will burn. Hey, it smells really good. That's a great color on it. It's supposed to go foamy. My mom did it. Why is it not happening? Oh my god, I'm using metal on a pan. People are gonna kill me in the comments. It smells right. It smells like my mom's one did. I don't know if my mom did this or not, but I'm pretty sure you have to remove it. Why does my meat look so freaking curly and my mom's one looked perfectly flat? Because I don't have someone to come and wash my mushrooms, so I have to do it myself. So I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit and I think I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the potatoes. I still have some potatoes left from my mom, but I'm actually not gonna use it because I am not cheating today. Honestly, not as much of a good technique as my mom, but I'm using a potato peeler. Taking definitely a lot longer than my mom did and a lot less efficient. Ooh, that's nasty. Ooh, the mushrooms are looking good. Oh wait, I think my mom said do not add the whole cream. Oh well. It's a little bit wider than my mom's one, but maybe it's gonna thicken up a little bit while it cooks, hopefully. I actually think it might thicken up a little bit, so I'm just gonna wait. Back to the potato. My mom did slices and then, I don't have time for this. I'm just gonna do like that. Mine are gonna be a little bit thicker, but it'll still be great. Is this an acceptable size for a potato chip? These look great, and let's go back to the sauce. Oh my god, that does not look right. I've got no idea what's going on here. Why is it like that? I'm gonna add the meat already and see if maybe it's gonna go darker. Oh, my mom used a plate to collect all the juices. The meat is gonna be so overcooked by the time this thickens up. It's looking thicker though. So I'm not mad about that, so we're gonna set this aside now. My mom said to test the oil. I don't think that looks ready, does it? If it's okay to eat the testing one, then why don't we test all of them already? I've never eaten potato chips and then said, oh, I got the tester. Alright guys, so the potato chips are gonna go in now. Holy schnitzel. These are pretty ready, I think. I'm just gonna remove them with my fork because I don't want to wash any more dishes. So I'm gonna try to drain all the oil like my mom did, but I'm not too bothered if there's a little bit of grease. Doesn't that make it delicious? So I'm gonna add some... Oh my god. I'm gonna shake them a little bit and hopefully that insane amount of salt is going to spread out. So I'm gonna go for this steak right here. I'm just gonna put it on top of the fries. Like, I don't understand why my mom didn't do that. It's gonna look a lot nicer. I think mine actually looks okay. And that is my food. I actually don't think it looks that bad. Maybe it looks a little less refined than the one my mom made. Oh my god, that is way too much salt. This is the food that I made. It's literally drenched in this like creamy sauce. And this is the one that my mom made, which is a lot better. It looks a lot more refined. This is the part in which I'm really lucky because... No. I'm so sorry. My mom is gonna have to eat the drenched one. In my defense though, my meat is very much overcooked, which I prefer.
Good.
Even better than I remember that this used to be. This is so good. I'm gonna try a little bit of the meat. This is honestly Now to the sad part of this video. My mom is gonna try the food that I made. I think the steak is nicely cooked.
Nice.
I didn't do that bad. I thought my steak was really nicely cooked, so I was kind of hoping for a good reaction. My fries are gonna be killers. Try the fries. My fries are good. I want to try my own fries because they're thick and different. Wow. That is very spicy and very salty. My fries are incredible though. This one is still a lot better. Gotta be honest, my mom is the definite winner of this one. So we're gonna carry on eating our dinner, guys, and I think for next time we should do like a dessert because my mom is really good at baking, especially baking. So I feel like it'd be really good if we made a cake or something like that. So if you guys want to watch it, definitely give this video a like and we will film it. Don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on and leave nice comments because my mom is gonna be reading them. So say something nice to her in the comment section. We're gonna go now. I love you guys and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.